Hey gang, welcome back. Another FE review video. This one's on thermodynamics. Okay, so here we go. A house has adobe walls that are 120 square meters and are 15 millimeters thick. On a chilly day, the temp inside is a cozy 20 degrees C, while outside is negative 12 degrees C. If the thermal conductivity of adobe is 0.711 joules per meter times second times degree C. Weird unit, huh? Find the heat lost per hour through the walls. Okay, you remember how to do this? Okay, press pause, and when you come back, I'm going to show you how to do it. Ready, set, go. Okay, did you press pause? Okay, here we go. What do you need to know? Now, number one, there should be a clue to you, okay? There are clues all over on how to solve these problems. And number one, just look at the answers, right? Joules, kilojoules, megajoules. So what does that tell you? They're probably trying to get me to make a mistake on units. I need to be really careful with units, okay? So we have to remember the heat transfer equation, and that goes a little something like this. Q is equal to Ka delta T over X. X being the thickness of the wall, K being your thermal conductivity constant, area of the walls of the substrate that I'm transferring heat through, and then delta T, of course, is the change temperature. Delta T is pretty easy. It was 20 inside, and 12 outside. So delta T is going to be equal to, what'd you say? 32 degrees C is the change in temperature. Let's see if we can do this, okay? So 0.711. Now I'm going to put units in this, joules per meter times second times per degree C, okay? Because number one, they asked me, if you look for closely, find the heat loss per blue. There it is right there, per hour, okay? That's in seconds. We don't want no seconds in our equation, right? There's 3,600 seconds per hour. Now my seconds cancel away. Got that fixed. A is 120 square meters. Okay. Meters there. That's good. Like that. And then what do we got left? Delta T, which is 32 degrees C. That's going to cancel that like that. Okay, that's good. Divided by the thickness of the wall, which is given to me in millimeters, is 15, but everything else is in meters. Don't forget units. 0.015 meters. That's going to cancel all that out, and it's going to leave me with Q being equal to 655 times 10 to the 6 joules per hour. What is times 10 to the 6, gang? What is that? Times 10 to the 6? That's megas. Your answer is D. Hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next video.